cases like this, parents should not interfere on the actions by the DIRS, school DIRM. I-plaster man sila dito.
Ganyan!
Okay, ang bato na to, we will have another flag raising at 11. So, mabalik ang tanan at 11. We will postpone the opening. So, alas 11, mabalik tatanan after ng afternoon. With a short na lang tayo yung conference. Please, dili mag-interfere. Pabili pa ng panahon, emergency na mo. Importante ang bata, matulungan mag-execute, sila pa imun. Kung hindi na pull out,